I discovered a trick that changed my life in the kitchen. Ever since then, this is the only way I make chicken. For today's recipe, we're going to need 1 frozen chicken breast. Yes, frozen. I'm going to grate it using a regular grater, and trust me, it makes a huge difference. While I'm doing that, tell me in the comments. What's the chicken recipe everyone loves the most in your house? I really want to know. Once the chicken is grated, I transfer everything to a bowl. Now we have 2 potatoes, and I'm going to grate them the same way. Make sure they're nice and thin so everything cooks evenly. Before we keep going, tell me what city you're watching from. Today's shout out goes to Melissa Holloway from Chicago. Thank you, I'm so happy you're enjoying the recipes. As soon as the potatoes are ready, I add them to the same bowl. We'll also need 1 red onion, grated the same way. Don't worry, go ahead and grate it. It adds so much flavor to this recipe. Now I'm adding about 7 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese. I add 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Now we just mix everything really well until it comes together into a nice, even mixture. If you enjoy easy recipes like this, go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Look at that texture. In a skillet, I add a little oil and 1 tablespoon of butter, stirring until the butter is completely melted. Then I transfer the whole mixture into the skillet. Using a spoon, I smooth everything out so it's nice and even. This helps it brown evenly. I cover the skillet and let it cook for 15 minutes over low heat, so it cooks through nicely. After that, I flip it using a plate and put it back into the skillet. If you've never flipped it this way before, don't worry, it's easier than it looks. Cover it again and let it cook for another 10 minutes. It already makes you want to eat it right now. Now just transfer it to a plate and serve. I like to finish it with a little chopped green onion on top because I love it. If you do too, let me know in the comments. Now I'm gonna cut a piece. Look at this. It smells amazing. Look at how it turned out inside. Oh my gosh, it's so good. This recipe is simple, budget-friendly, and full of flavor. I'm sure you're gonna make this at home. Try it out and come back to tell me what you think. Enjoy.